Metris presents LABORAS, a revolutionary system for automatically detecting the behavior of small rodents, enabling you to fully automate your animal behavior experiments. It's capable of performing high throughput and long duration experiments, saving time, money and animals while improving the consistency and quality of your research on new drugs. There's no need for video and visual behavior scoring, no need for time-consuming calculations. LABORAS truly automates your research. While you continue with your other work, LABORAS records all the animal's movements. Where other systems, such as video, reach their limits, LABORAS really takes off, detecting locomotion, climbing and grooming, and special behaviors like scratching, chewing, circling and hind limb licking. It also recognizes seizures and wet dog shakes. At present, more than 16 different behaviors can be handled, all in just one system. If you are a researcher or manager working with animal behavior detection, this video could be of interest to you. So, what advantages can LABORAS offer? There's just one automatic system for behavior detection and tracking suitable for both mice and rats. It replaces behavioral scoring, reducing the number of experiments and animals required. Detailed results are immediately available, allowing you to refine your experiments as you go along, and to save up to 90% of your time and resources by avoiding months of analysis. LABORAS takes a different approach from other products on the market, such as video systems. It is designed to become a standard tool in animal behavior detection, helping drug development, safety pharmacology and toxicology testing, or in specific fields like dermatology. So how does LABORAS work? LABORAS keeps track of different behaviors based on the animal's movements. It can detect even the smallest of movements, including chewing and heartbeat. Vibrations made by the animals are measured by ultra-sensitive detectors located in two corners of a triangular platform. Only a very lightweight carbon fiber cover and the bottom section of the cage come into contact with the sensors. The heavier upper section of the cage is suspended from above to maximize sensitivity. The sensors send the signals to the LABORAS control unit, where they are digitized and relayed to the computer. The computer performs 4 tasks. It controls the electronics, for example, during calibration and data acquisition. It administers information about the experimental setup and test sessions. After acquiring data, the computer classifies the behaviors and calculates the tracking parameters. It presents results in a user-friendly way and can export them to Excel or convert them to SPSS or SAS JUMP file formats. Metris believes in working closely with our customers. As one of the few companies in this field, we are open for pre-sale experiments. You can try the system, validate your results, and, if the results are reliable, decide if you want to purchase the system. The risks are all on our side. The LABORAS concept has already been tried and validated by a number of large multinational pharmaceutical companies. The behavior detection modules have been thoroughly tested by repeating known experiments. Whilst using video for visual reference, our premier customers compared the results of LABORAS against those from trained observers. The results for locomotion and other normal behaviors showed astonishingly high correlation, more than 90% for climbing, grooming and immobility, and more than 75% for eating, drinking and rearing. LABORAS is a very user-friendly system. It requires only one person to operate it. Many researchers have already used the demonstration system after just 1 hour of basic training. After installation, No initial technical settings are required, so LABORAS can be used immediately for experiments. To start using LABORAS, you first define your experiment. Before starting actual measurements, the weight of each animal must be accurately measured. With this information, LABORAS can then calibrate the electronics during a short and simple automatic procedure. This calibration is done before every test session to prevent anomalies and human error. After calibration, the test session can start and stop at any time suitable for the experiment. You only have to put the rodent into the cage. While you continue with your other work, LABORAS records all the animal's movements. During this time, LABORAS can be stopped only with a special sequence of commands. This avoids accidental loss of data or unauthorized use of the system and ensures proper saving of your experiment. The data can be classified to any of the behaviors in the LABORAS portfolio. LABORAS needs only 1 megabyte of memory per animal hour, so weeks of data can be stored on a simple memory stick. This is a huge advantage over video systems, which require 1 gigabyte of space and usually choose to delete raw data after the experiment. Another operational advantage over video is that LABORAS can run day or night. All this allows you to get your results and present them within minutes. After a few seconds to classify the results, you can immediately investigate, for example, the position preference of the animal. In this case, you can compare 8 cages simultaneously. Graphic representations of the behavior percentages create an overview of the test session, but you can easily go into detail by analyzing data in SPSS, Excel or SASjump. Where other systems, such as video, reach their limits, LABORAS really takes off, detecting locomotion, climbing and grooming, and special behaviors like scratching, chewing, circling and hind limb licking. It also recognizes seizures and wet dog shakes. By working with our customers, Metris has already improved upon the original LABORAS concept. In September 2006, we launched a new version of the system. This includes a newly developed and validated module to detect circling behavior. Metris is continuing to enlarge and refine the LABORAS repertoire. At present, more than 16 different behaviors can be handled, all in just one system. The LABORAS principle gives you a standard and objective method, enabling you to compare the results from, say, European, US and Asian laboratories. The quality of behavior detection is not dependent on the operational experience of your researchers, and no additional skills are required. Another operational advantage over video is that LABORAS can run day or night. Because the sensors do not need light to measure the animal's movements, the system can run reliably in the dark as well as during daytime. And LABORAS will work day and night for up to 7 consecutive days. The LABORAS architecture allows up to 8 measurement platforms to be operated simultaneously, increasing your capacity. However, it is also possible to use multiple LABORAS systems. In this way, some of our customers have already operated up to 24 platforms simultaneously, creating a truly high-throughput laboratory. No other system can detect a large range of behaviors automatically with the accuracy and ease that LABORAS offers. Compared to the alternative multiple system laboratory, the single system of LABORAS is certainly a cost-effective investment. We would be happy to explore with you the applications and advantages of LABORAS to your organization. We will be available to demonstrate the system at various forthcoming conferences. More information and our contact details can be found on our website www.metris.nl. We look forward to hearing from you.